Hello everyone. Today we will try to learn the manganese deposits of India with tricks. Before sharing the tricks with you, I like to share certain information regarding manganese. Manganese is not found as a free element in nature. It is often found in combination with iron. The most important manganese ore is pyrolusite. Manganese is primarily used in iron and steel industry. It is the basic raw material for manufacturing steel alloys. 6 kg of manganese ore is required for manufacturing 1 ton of steel. It is also used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides, paints and batteries. India possesses second largest reserves in the world after Zimbabwe, 430 million tons. India is the world's fifth largest producer after China, Gabon, South Africa and Australia. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Karnataka are the major manganese ore producing states. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh together produce more than half of India's manganese. So here we are with the major manganese deposits of India. So we can see on the map also all the places are located with some numbers. So the first one is Shimoga, which is in Karnataka. As you can see in Karnataka we can find Shimoga. Then we have Balaghat, which is in Madhya Pradesh. As you can see it on the map, that is Balaghat with the second number. Then we have Sundargarh, that is in Orissa. It is marked with an arrow and it is with the digit. It is with the digit 3, that is Sundargarh. You can find it Odisha. Another manganese deposits you can also find in Odisha, that is in Kandujar. It is also in Odisha and it is in the fourth number. Then on the fifth number, for the fifth number you have to move in Maharashtra and you can find it in Nagpur. As all the locations are marked on the map and you can visualize all of them. So we have the 5 manganese deposits of India. These are the major manganese deposits of India. Now we will try to learn all these manganese deposits of India with some tricks. So again you can see all these 5 places of manganese deposits on the map of India. In Odisha we have 2, that is Sundargarh and Kandujar. In Madhya Pradesh we have Balaghat. In Maharashtra we have Nagpur. And in Karnataka we can find the manganese in the Shimoga. So here we are with the trick which will help us to learn the major manganese deposits of India. So the trick is sun can't do shimmer on Nag Balak. So Balak means boy. So sun can't do shimmer. So sun can't shine on Nag Balak. So this is the short trick which we have to learn to memorize all the manganese deposits of India. So the sun is associated with Sundargarh, which is in Odisha. Kandu, that is Kundujar, which is also in Odisha. Then shimmer is for Shimoga, which is in Karnataka. Then Nag is for Nagpur, that is in Maharashtra. And Balak is for Balaghat, which is in Madhya Pradesh. So the sun can't do shimmer on Nag Balak will help you to learn the 5 places of manganese deposits which are found in India. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us and click on the notification bell, as it will inform you when we will launch our new videos. Thanks for watching.